Hello friends, in today's video I would be explaining how to use text to column feature in Excel sheet. This feature of Excel can help you in splitting some text into multiple columns. Text to column feature can be very useful. For example, it can be used for splitting names with surnames or months with years. In this video, I would be using different examples for explanation. In first example, I am using data that is having common separator. As we can see here, common separator is space. To convert this text into column, we would select this data and then we will click text to column, which is situated in data tab. On clicking text to column, two options will appear. These are delimited and fixed width. We would be using delimited in this case. On clicking next, we will find different delimiters. We will select common separator here, which is space. On selecting it, our desired result will appear here. Now we will select the cell where we want to have this data. As desired, required names and surnames are bifurcated properly. Now let us check our next example, where hash is used as common separator. We will follow same steps to arrive at desired result. Coming to last part of our video, we would be using fixed width for converting text to column. We will use similar steps but will select fixed width. In this example, we have date of birth without bifurcation of date, month and year. For arriving at desired result, we want to add two columns, first after dates and second after months. This will bifurcate the data as required. Now again, we will select the cell where we want this data. As desired, correct dates, months and year of birth are produced. In case of any doubt, you may ask same in comment section.